Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious milky ice. All of the ingredients will be available in the description box. So to our bowl, we are going to add 1.5 liters of warm water. So the water is boiled and we just let it cool down for some minutes and then you can start using it. To the water, we are going to add 1 cup of sugar and then we're just going to mix everything together until the sugar has dissolved. To that, we are going to add 1.5 cup of powdered milk. Today I'm using Cremora, so you can use any type of brand that you would like, and we're just going to add it to our sugar water, and then we just mix everything together until the milk has dissolved. Now we're going to add vanilla essence, which is around about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just going to mix that together, and then I have divided my mixture into 3 parts so that I can color my mixture. I'm using blue food coloring and pink food coloring. You can also decide to use whatever food coloring you have or your favorite, and you just add a bit and then you mix. If you feel like you still need to add more, you just keep on adding until you reach the perfect color that you want to achieve. After that, we are now going to add our mixture into clear plastic bags. So you're just going to get a small amount of our mixture, and I've placed the plastic bag in a cup so that it can be easy for me. So you just put in like that and then you tie the plastic bag. And now our mixture is ready to go in the fridge for around about 12 plus minus 12 hours, and then you will be able to enjoy your end product, which is the milky ice. Guys, this recipe is so delicious. The ice is very delicious. It's nice and soft and not too hard, and I'm telling you, it's going to quench your thirst during this summer.